Welcome to our exploration of the infamous Minecraft duplication glitch. Today, we'll uncover its secrets and impacts in the game. But why do players use these glitches? Simple. Duplication glitches allow players to multiply their resources, making gameplay easier and more fun. Before we dive into the glitch itself, let's go over what you'll need. You'll need specific items depending on the glitch you want to perform, including. Now, let's break down the steps to executing a popular duplication glitch. Follow along as we guide you through the process. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Many players fall into common pitfalls while attempting these glitches. Let's go over how to avoid them. There are various types of duplication glitches out there, each with its unique mechanics. Here are some of the most well-known. While duplication glitches can be fun, they can also disrupt gameplay balance. Let's take a closer look at the implications. Mojang regularly updates the game to address glitches, including duplication. Here's what the latest updates reveal about their efforts. The Minecraft community has mixed feelings about duplication glitches. Let's dive into some of the opinions and reactions from players. In conclusion, while duplication glitches can enhance enjoyment, they also come with risks. Remember to play responsibly.